Will prediction markets make the stock market obsolete? Now, I saw this question in a major financial magazine, and I'm sure right now it looks like that could happen, but I gotta say, there's no doubt in my mind that the stock market will definitely still be in place. The prediction markets are growing like gangbusters, with companies like Robinhood generating $100 million in annualized revenue, with 11 billion contracts trading hands over the past year. Global prediction markets reached $13 billion in November compared to just $100 million in April 2024. The options are established from a company called Kalshi, who is one of the companies responsible for setting up these prediction markets. Bets on sports is very popular, and on Sunday, December 7th, Kalshi saw $329 million traded on its platform, with 97% coming from the sportsbook or bets on football games. If people think this is not gambling, well, just ask DraftKings and Flutter, who are big gambling sites that are losing business and have seen their stocks nearly cut in half from high to low this year. The solution they came up with, well, was to set up prediction markets of their own as well. The reason this is working so well is that they are regulated by the CFTC, which is the Commodity Futures Trading Commission. This is a federal entity, and what is interesting to me is it seems like a loophole, since the states individually regulate gambling. This means gambling with prediction markets is open to anyone in the country, but closed on other platforms when regulated by the states. The way prediction markets work is based on a contract price, which can be anywhere from a penny to 99 cents, and generally the brokerage firm takes between a penny or two per contract. It is based on the odds, so say there's a 7% chance the Chargers will win on Sunday. This would be the yes side of the contract, and it would cost you 70 cents per contract. If you think the Chargers will lose, that will then cost you 30 cents because the Chargers were favored to win. When the contract closes, whoever was right receives the full contract value of $1. This is big now because it's exciting and the brokerage houses are making a lot of money off these option contracts. But when people realize the amount of money they are losing, I believe most of them will likely avoid prediction markets the same as they do trading futures on commodities and naked options. Unfortunately, the ones that will keep playing this game are the ones who are addicted to gambling and have a gambling problem. Prediction markets are not a wealth building investment because you can lose all your money. This is different than investing in stocks, where you actually own a small piece of a large company that has earnings, cash flow, and assets. I do believe this area will continue to grow though in the near term because it is exciting for young people who have not yet experienced any type of financial downturn like the 2008 Great Recession. When there is financial calamity, these high-risk gambling tactics generally come to an abrupt halt. I'm Chase Wilsey with Wilsey Asset Management. If you like these videos, be sure to give it a like or comment. And also, too, feel free to check out our other YouTube videos and weekly newsletter for the latest economic news, expert analysis, and market insights.